everybody, it's Miss A, and I'm here with a recap video on what we did in class today. We did a couple of things. We talked about line symmetry. So first things that we need to know is the definition of symmetry. And symmetry is when you split an image, and we just, I actually did just do a video on the definitions, but we'll put it in this one. You split an image down the middle, and it's an exact replica. All right, so we have two types of symmetry. On the test, we'll be working on how many lines of symmetry does it have. Does it have 0, 1, or more than 1? But we're talking about two types of symmetry. We have vertical and we have horizontal. Vertical symmetry is if you split a figure, so split a figure up and down. Split figure up and down to have the exact image. Up and down to have exact image. Horizontal is if you split an image or split a figure left and right to have exact image. So an example of vertical would be the letter T. I can split this vertically if I do it right down the middle. Let me use this marker, maybe this will help. If I split it right down the middle, you can see it looks exactly the same on the left and the right. They look exactly the same. All right, so I split it from the top to the bottom, and the left and the right side look exactly the same. I could have horizontal. Horizontal is when I split it like it's across the belly. And if I do that, the top and the bottom look exactly the same. So this is vertical symmetry. This is horizontal symmetry. So what we did in class is we went through every single letter of the alphabet in order to determine whether the shape was had any line of symmetry. All right, so I have some shapes here, and I want to see if they have vertical, horizontal, or both. So no symmetry, so 0, 1, or more. All right, so here's my first figure, and I usually always do vertical first. So if I split this shape in half, I can see that the left and the right side, they match. Now let me look here. I think I'm going to do it with my marker because it's a little bit thicker. They match, and let me do this here. Top and bottom, they match. So this one has more, so this shape I would put here. All right, here's my next one. So I'm going to split my shape vertical. That gives me a line of symmetry, so it has vertical symmetry. Let me do horizontal. It does not have horizontal, so that's going to go in the pile for 1. I put those numbers way too close. Now let me get another piece of paper. We'll make a sort here. So this will be more, 1, 0. Here we go. There we go. Okay, next shape. All right, and if you can't tell, the one good thing about it, fold it in half and then see if they look exactly like each other. And if I fold this in half, they do look exactly like each other, so it does have vertical symmetry. Let me do it horizontally. Does not have horizontal. This will go in 1. This shape does have vertical symmetry. Right and left look the same. Horizontal, nope, goes in 1. Here we have this shape. Right and left look the same. Top and bottom look the same. 2. Here we have this shape. There isn't a right, left, top, bottom. And I'll tell you, circles have infinite number. You don't even have to do it. Circles have infinite number lines of symmetry. Okay, let's go to this one. Top and bottom. Nope. Right and left. Nope. 0. All right, let's look at this shape. Split it like this. It is not vertical. It is not horizontal. The reason why, and I know this one confuses a lot of people, if I were to fold this in half and try to compare, you see how I have a point here? My point is over there. These are opposite images. Like it's the same image, but it's backwards. So this has 0. This shape, oops, it helps if you draw a straight line. All right. Right and left look the same. Top and bottom do not look the same. One line of symmetry. Right and left look the same. Top, bottom look the same. More than one line of symmetry. Rectangles, they are exactly the same all around, so they have more. This is a shape that you should know. It has more lines of symmetry. Oops, we're losing some. I'm going to try to stack them a little closer. And the last one here, I have the octagon. If I split it like this, right and left look the same. Split it down the middle, top and bottom look the same. So triangle, a right triangle, no lines of symmetry. A polygon, no lines of symmetry. A equilateral triangle has one line of symmetry. A pentagon has one line of symmetry. A trapezoid has one line of symmetry. And a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't even know what a 7-sided shape is. It has one line of symmetry. A rhombus, a regular rhombus, not abnormal shape rhombus, has 2 lines. A square has 2 lines. A circle has infinite number of lines of symmetry. A 6-sided shape has 2 lines of symmetry. A rectangle has more than one line of symmetry, and an octagon has more than one line of symmetry. All right, I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching, everybody.